Enjoy an island getaway with our Andaman Honeymoon package. This is 6 days and 5 nights customizable package by Vaibhavi Tours and Travels. Highlights of the Andaman Honeymoon package. Visit the cellular jail and know the independence struggle. Go to the famous beaches and see blissful sights. Indulge in thrilling and exciting water sports. Enjoy breathtaking sunset views from Lakshmanpur Beach. See the gorgeous underwater life while snorkeling. About the package. Escape the post-wedding jitters with this relaxing 5 nights 6 days romantic Andaman Honeymoon package. It guarantees a blissful and memorable honeymoon with lots of activities and super romantic moments. If you are looking for a 6 days and 5 nights Andaman package, look no further. Starting from Port Blair, this Andaman Honeymoon package proceeds to Havelock and Neil. At all these islands, newly wedded couples can enjoy city tours and indulge in myriad water activities. The most common ones being scuba and snorkeling, which is recommended in our Andaman 5 nights 6 days package. For booking, please visit our website vaibhavitravels.in or email us at sales@vaibhavitravels.in.